But there are over 100,000 males competing for the arriving females in this one bay. Among them, a giant, a true Goliath. He probably weighs about 10 kilos. This smaller male couldn't possibly take him on. Beside Goliath, and under his protection, a female who has just mated with him. But other rivals are still interested. He's just the right size to mimic a female. The small male now displays a white stripe, just like the real female, to deter his advances. He slips beside her, and they mate.